Good morning to all. In the mechanical operation, we are discussing the rack mechanical classifiers in previous lectures. So this one is having two types: rack classifier, and second one is spiral classifier. So spiral classifier ની અંદર exactly there is a જે એંગલ છે બરાબર, જે એંગલ પર જે slide છે, little bit there is a difference over here. Exactly what happened here it is used the spiral mounted a shaft which is rotating on the shaft. Okay, and then it is the uh, what exactly self slow rotating spiral conveyors. Okay, so using this that will be separating. Now the next one is that separation of solid particles from liquid and gas by cyclones. Separations of solid particle from liquid and gas by the cyclones. If there is an cyclone separator is essentially a settling chamber in which gravitational separating force is replaced by much stronger centrifugal separating force. Cyclone separator is essentially for settling chambers which exactly having the gravitational separating force, okay, which is replaced and which is much stronger centrifugal separating force. Gravitational force છે એને શું કરે છે, replaced by centrifugal force to increasing the settling rate. સો સાયક્લોન સેપરેટર એ શું છે, એક તો સેટલિંગ ચેમ્બર છે કે જ્યાં મટીરિયલ શું થાય છે, સેટલ થાય છે, અને ઇટ ઇઝ રિપ્લેસ બાય ગ્રેવિટેશનલ ફોર્સની રિપ્લેસ કરે છે સેન્ટ્રીફ્યુગલ ફોર્સ દ્વારા. સાયક્લોન અથવા સાયક્લોન સેપરેટર આર યુઝ ફોર સેપરેશન્સ ઓફ સોલિડ from fluids. This one is cyclones are used for removing solid particles from the fluid. They offer one of the least expensive means of dust collections, and then they are offer that is expensive means which having a collections of dust, which is dust particles from the gas. They utilize a centrifugal force to affect the separation which depends on the particle size on particle density. So the cyclones are used to affect separation on the basis of particle size or a particle density or a both. So these types of cyclones, liquid cyclones are available. So it is one of the base type. So let us see first type. All about this thing is information about the cyclone. So the next type is that liquid cyclone or hydroclone. Okay, cyclone separator or 4.6 indicate that cyclone separator or cyclone, or 4.7 is a hydroclone, that is liquid cyclone. So cyclone separator may also be used to affect the classification of solid particles suspended in liquid, such as a cases the commonly used liquid in the water. Okay, solid particles જે સસ્પેન્ડેડ છે લિક્વિડની અંદર એને રિમૂવ કરે છે. Liquid cyclones, it is also known as hydroclone. So hydroclones has a top cylindrical section and a lower conical section terminating in apex opening, જે આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ લિક્વિડની અંદર, લિક્વિડ સાયક્લોનની અંદર, which having a top cylindrical section which can be inlet the we can the overflow or a fine products, or the bottom which is a cylindrical and conical shape. Okay, The top vertical section is covered by a flat bed and it is provided with tangential inlet at the top. The cover has a downward extending pipe to cut the vortex and remove the overflow product, since the viscosity of water is much higher than that of the gas. Fluid resistance encountered in this cyclone is greater than that in the cyclone used in dust collection. The diameter of this cyclone must be smaller in order to get corresponding greater larger centrifugal force. And the pressure of the feed to the cyclone is lie between 5 to 120 psi. The slurry feed is pumped into the cylindrical section tangentially. Coarse or heavy solids thrown out against the wall travel down the sides of cone sections and are discharged in a partially dewatered from the vortex from the apex, while the smaller or lighter solids are uh, removed from the downwards extending pipe in the top. Liquid cyclone are used in decorating operation in the alumina production, classification pigments and ore dressing practicals. Okay, so cyclone separators or cyclones are given here. Dust or latent gas which is inlet here, જ્યાં શું છે ગેસીસ છે, ગેસીસની અંદર ઇમ્પ્યુરિટીઝ છે સોલિડ અથવા તો સસ્પેન્શન પાર્ટિકલ્સ છે લિક્વિડની અંદર, તો એમાંથી સોલિડ પાર્ટિકલ્સને રિમૂવ કરવા માટે યુઝ થાય છે. સો ધીસ વન ઇઝ અ ટેન્જેન્ટિયલ ઇનલેટ left hand side, and outlet side it is entering a gas. Okay, at the end it will be solid dust is connected here. This one is a cylindrical section, conical sections. And exactly what happened in the liquid cyclone, at exactly solid plus water, liquid plus solid, inletting at the top of the inletting here feed material. At the top of the cyclone it will be inletting fines plus waters. So at the bottom product coarse material plus water is out from the bottom. Now this is the cyclones working processes, how it's work, cyclones and where it is used. Now the next phenomena or terminology is said that the jigging. So cyclones are over here and the next one is a jigging. So what should be about the jigging? So jigging is the process. Jigging is a mechanical device used for the separation of material of different specific gravity by pulsating a stream of liquid, that means usually water, flowing through a bed of material resting on a screen. Jigging is a mechanical device which is used for separation of material of a specific different gravity. એટલે કે jigging એવી પ્રોસેસ છે કે જે સોલિડ મટીરિયલ્સ, જે મટીરિયલનું સેપરેશન કરે છે શાના આધારે, તો ડિફરન્ટ સ્પેસિફિક ગ્રેવિટી, જે સ્પેસિફિક ડેન્સિટીના લીધે સ્પેસિફિક ગ્રેવિટીના આધાર ઉપર એ શું કરે છે, એને સેપરેટ કરે છે. બાય પલ્સેટિંગ અ સ્ટ્રીમ ઓફ લિક્વિડ, એટલે કે લિક્વિડ સ્ટ્રીમ ફ્લો કરવામાં આવે છે શેમાંથી, થ્રુ ધ બેડ ઓફ મટીરિયલ, કે જ્યાં મટીરિયલનું આખું પૂરું બેડ્સ રેડી છે ત્યાંથી. Jigging is the method of separating materials of different specific gravity by the pulsations of streams of liquid flowing through a bed of material resting on a string. Okay, so this is pulsate, oscillates. So this one is the method. Pulsate, oscillates and move or swing back the force at the regular rate, where jigging is directly move up and down with a quickly jerky motions, fast and jerky motions. Okay, So the next is principal operations, how it's work. Jigs separate solid by different in density and size. Okay, as per our previous, as per I told you, jigging is the method during the process. It can be separations occurs by specific gravity. So specific gravity depends upon the wall density and size. Okay, that means a mass. Jigging is a process of gravity concentrations where solids are separated based upon different in behavior of particles through a moving fluid, which is turns depends upon the density and specific gravities. Jigging is the process of gravity concentrations where solids are separated based upon different in behaviors of particle through a moving fluid, which turns upon the density and specific gravity. Separations, so this one is a principal working operations. Separations of solid different specific gravity is achieved by the pulsations of liquid stream flowing through a bed of solid on a screen. Then the liquid pulsates or jigs up and down. These actions causes by heavy material to move towards the bottom of the bed and lighter material to raise up the top. Each product is taken out separately. Okay, and the application is that jigging is used for concentrating heavy minerals from the light minerals. લાઇટ મિનરલ્સમાંથી હેવી મિનરલ્સને રિમૂવ કરવામાં આવે છે, યુઝ કરવા માટે આવે છે. કોન્સન્ટ્રેટિંગ હેવી મિનરલ્સને લાઇટ મિનરલ્સમાંથી હેવી મિનરલ્સમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવા માટે. It is commonly employed for a coarse material having a size of 20 Ms and above the where there is a sizable large difference between the effective specific gravity is of the valuable and the waste material. Effective specific gravity is specific gravity of mineral minus specific gravity of water. Jigs are simple operations, consume very large quantity of water and have a high tailing losses on metallic ores. They are used mostly to treat iron ores, flue, lead, zincs, or etc. So next is the hydraulic jig. So hydraulic jig is shown in figure. This one is downward stroke and upward stroke. Exactly we see in the figure. It operates by providing very short period of material to settle due to the which particle do attain their terminal flowing velocity and initial velocity cause the separation. આ પ્રકારનું જે ઓપરેશન છે હાઇડ્રોલિક જીગ, it is operated providing very short period of material to settle due to which particles do not attain their terminal flowing velocity and initial velocity cause the separation. So the suitable for the separation of material of a wide size ranging in the various fractions. So construction is given here. Figure 4.8, it describes the hydraulic jig and it consists of rectangular section tank with a taper at bottom. The tank is divided into two portion compartment by vertical buffers. Okay, as per we show in the figure. So at the downward stroke and upward stroke is given that what exactly in both of these. So this one is a plunger that is a like a working as a pistons. Okay, and right hand side it is the so first of all left hand side water is inletted and valve is closed positions. Okay, the buffels are used. Okay, then at the top it is overflow. This is a gate material, this one is a rectangular tank, and this one is a screen. So using screen that can be removed. Exactly what happened, હવે શું કરવામાં આવશે કે it is like a pistons working, જેની અંદર શું કરવામાં આવશે કે જે હાર્ડ મટીરિયલ હશે એ શું કરી જશે, નીચે જતા રહેશે. કઈ રીતે, જ્યારે પ્લન્જરથી શું કરવામાં આવે છે, પ્રેશરાઇઝ કરવામાં આવે છે ત્યારે. તો જે જે સ્ક્રીન હશે, સ્ક્રીન ઇટ હેવિંગ અ સમ સાઇઝ, તો એના અંદરથી શું થશે, ઓનલી એવા પાર્ટિકલ્સ પસાર થઈ જશે કે જે પાર્ટિકલ્સ કેવા હશે, એકદમ સ્મોલ. જ્યારે મોટા પાર્ટિકલ્સ હશે એ ક્યાં જતા રહેશે, ઇટ ગોઝ ફ્રોમ ધ ડાઉનવર્ડ ડાયરેક્શન્સ. ઓકે ઓકે સો ધીસ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ધ ડાઉનવર્ડ સ્ટ્રોક. સો ટેન્ક છે એને શું કરવામાં આવે છે, બે પાર્ટની અંદર ડિવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે છે. સો ધ ડિટેલ્ડ વર્કિંગ is discussing in the next lecture. Okay.